How to use the clipping mask in Photoshop to make this effect. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click to make a selection around the screen. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the model. Then reduce the opacity of model layer. Right-click inside the free transform box and choose the Flip Horizontal. Click and drag handles to resize and position the model. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Go to Select and choose the subject. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Right-click on the model layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Select the Eraser tool. Then select Top Layer. Erase the extras. And that's it. Hope you liked it.